App crashing because of the w32-pthreads DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the cause and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start our troubleshooting for w32-pthreads, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the w32-pthreads, the POSIX Threads for Win32 library. It provides localized, unmanaged localized routines for cross-platform software to manage localized multi-threading, using localized POSIX standards on the localized Windows localized kernel. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. To fix this properly, reinstall POSIX. Go to the Microsoft website, download both x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ read distributables, and install them. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with w32-pthreads. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ read distributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ read distributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for w32-pthreads DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes w32-pthreads documentation. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored w32-pthreads functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support